Welcome to Noor Boiler. Manufacturer, supplier, and service provider of heaters and boilers. The company was established in 1983. At Vapi, our state-of-the-art infrastructure and good financial position make us different from others. Aurora Fiber Limited, GHCL Limited, and Centerpoint are some of our elite clients, and we are backed by experienced R&D department. We offer a wide assortment of non-IBR steam boilers, liquid fuel fire thermic fluid heaters. Our solid fuel fire thermic fluid heaters and hot air generators are superior in performance. We offer industrial reactors and tanks that are widely acclaimed in the market. Industrial vessels and piping works offered by us are acknowledged for their functionality. Along with that, we offer water treatment plants and pressure vessel for chemical industry that are extremely reliable. We also provide IBR steam boilers and thermic fluid heater for chemical industry that are a class apart. To get more information, log on at www.noorboiler.com.